Do you drink coffee in the morning on an empty stomach? Watching this video, a lot of people around the world drink coffee immediately after they wake up. And we all love those sunny days when we can hang out in the garden or in the closest coffee shop and drink coffee with our friends. Well, yes, you are absolutely right when it comes to drinking coffee. It's very beneficial and useful for the human body, but you shouldn't drink it on empty stomach, especially in the morning. First, you need to know that by drinking a cup of black coffee on an empty stomach early in the morning will increase the amount of hydrochloric acid inside your digestive tract. Well, this means that if you suffer from gastritis, then you've probably felt this. This hydrochloric acid is actually bad for the food in your stomach. So, when you eat something heavy, this acid can cause some digestive problems because it would cause a difficult digestion of proteins. And when protein isn't fully decomposed and absorbed, it can lead to other digestive issues such as bloating, inflammation of the bowel, irritation, and might cause a colon cancer. This is why many medical experts warn that you shouldn't drink coffee in the morning on empty stomach immediately after you wake up. Well, the main reason is because coffee will increase the levels of cortisol, and the body needs a long time to balance them to its normal state. Cortisol is a hormone that controls our biological clock and the ability to stay awake. You should also know that the consumption on an empty stomach will increase the levels of acid in the stomach, which causes vomiting and bloating. As you can see, drinking coffee on empty stomach immediately after you wake up can be really bad for you. This means that you should have a breakfast before drinking your morning coffee. But if you can't eat breakfast and you can't start your day without a cup of coffee, then you should add some milk or butter in your coffee. It will reduce its harmful effects. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.